Hey everyone, Greg with Drifter Journey. Exciting product review for you. The Tune Outdoor Rain Gutters. They did send me this pair at no charge to install on our truck, and I'm very excited because they weren't available when we bought our Tune. And if you can see here, when it rains, I'm assuming you can see it, but there's comes off the corner of the camper and pours down right about here. So if it happens to be raining when you're getting in your vehicle, you usually get to go through a little stream. So they did a rain gutter, and I already put one on the other side, which was actually like the quickest project I've ever done. But you get two of the gutters. It says they come with corrosion resistant stainless hardware, and so you just put 4 of these in. And I'm not going to lie, I thought it was going to be kind of difficult. But let's see if I can go 2 for 2 with ease. So you got 4 of those. Then they have some spacers. Go on the back. At least I'm assuming this is the right way. It didn't have directions, but it seems fairly self-explanatory. And then your hammer nuts. I think that's what you call these. So I put those on and just got them started. And the heads on those are a T40 Torx. So I luckily had one of those around. I think the rest of them are normally like a Allen wrench head, but maybe they wanted them to be a little more theft resistant. So yeah, so once you get these 4 started, oh, the other thing I want to mention, I would assume it's powder coated aluminum, maybe? They're really lightweight. So I was excited about that because with our ZR2, we are very close to max payload when we load up with all of our stuff. So this is the part that I thought was going to be kind of funky, but I put them flat so that they can go into the channel, and see if I get so lucky to do it twice. Real easy. So yeah, just put them in, get them started, and then these ones, that's going to be a little more. Did I get them? I think I got them. See, I mean, that was pretty easy. So then obviously I'll look from behind, make sure that we did get them in there, and then we're just going to go ahead and tighten them down. And that's it. So what's happening, right? The water comes over, goes into here, and then now it channels over and comes out onto the roof of the vehicle, and then either goes off the back when you're driving or down there, whatever. Basically, hopefully not on your head anymore. It did say on the box on extreme angles that they may not work, but we're going to do some testing. We will overlay some footage of the next time it rains, or hose if we have to show you how they work. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. We would love to hear from you, and you're probably going to want to get these. Thanks for watching.